Hey everybody, it's Heath with DoMyOwn.com. If you've been doing your own lawn care and applying post-emergent herbicides, you may have come across esters or amines in the name of many of the herbicide products that you've used. As a homeowner, it's essential to make an informed choice when it comes to weed control on your lawn. So let's discuss the advantages and considerations of both esters and amine herbicides to help you make the best selection for your weed control management. First, let's understand how herbicides are made. Every post-emergent weed killer consists of active ingredients responsible for controlling the weeds, as well as inert ingredients that enhance the product's effectiveness, such as spreaders or stickers. Popular herbicides ingredients like 2,4-D, triclopyr, for instance, can be formulated either as an amine or an ester. Each of these offering unique features that carry different scenarios and conditions. Amine and ester herbicides differ in their chemical structures and properties. Ester herbicides are produced by esterifying the active ingredients with alcohol, while amine herbicides contain the amine salts of the active ingredient. Ester herbicides are known for providing excellent weed control, particularly during cooler temperatures such as the spring months, March, April, and early May. Their advantages lie in faster absorption through the waxy cuticles of plant leaves, allowing for efficient weed control. These are highly effective against stubborn broadleaf weeds like clover, plantain, dandelions. However, it's crucial to exercise caution during warmer weather, as esters formulas can become more volatile, leading to potential drift and other desirable plants, causing unintended damages. On the other hand, amine herbicides excel in hot weather conditions. With their lower volatility, they offer reduced risk of drift and unintentional damages to nearby desirable plants. They are also suitable for applications in broader range of temperatures compared to ester formulations. Now, which herbicide formulation is best for your specific climate and your weed control goals? Take into consideration the temperatures and the weather conditions you are treating in, the types of weeds you are trying to control, the area where you are trying to control those weeds, and the desirable plants nearby. And what are you looking to get out of your post-emergent herbicide application? In some cases, combining both esters and amine formulations throughout the year might offer the best weed control results. Remember, proper weed management is essential for a healthy lawn all throughout the year. Always follow product labels and application guidelines for optimal results and to safeguard your lawn and surrounding vegetation. If you found this information helpful, please consider visiting our website at DoMyOwn.com for more informative content on lawn care and gardening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and tell us what you'd like to see more of. Thanks for watching the video.